Today on Trends of the Future, we will be discussing how SaaS will influence the businesses of tomorrow and how applications like WordLens will help the future generations grasp the art of learning language. Many corporate entities at this point in time find themselves with multiple copies of the same program, which leads to wasted money. Very few entities log what programs they have purchased, and this can cause problems when entities have hundreds of copies of the same product and are paying for multiple licenses. If only there was a centralized place where one company could order their products from. Employees would be able to access important information in real time, from their job sites, from work, clients' offices, or even home. With the emerging trend of cloud computing, software as a service will become more popular in the future. It will enable businesses to have more flexibility and will give them an opportunity to accurately keep track of the software they have. Under this system, it should be easy to determine what they are using regularly and the software they have only seasonal use for. In this manner, SaaS will provide businesses with greater productivity of funds in this area, and this is due to the payments being subscriptions instead of capital in nature. Cloud computing will allow businesses to expand their server needs without the capital costs and maintenance. At a click of a button, they will have access to more servers, and they'll be able to decrease that amount when business begins to slow. No longer will companies have to construct or maintain large volume servers, to which they rarely use to its full capacity. Instead, cloud or virtual servers will be provided by future industry leaders such as Amazon and Google, who will offer such services as accounting packages, collaboration tools, relationship management packages, enterprise resource planning tools, human resource management tools, and service desk management packages. The power of augmented reality and the ability it has to impact us in our life is truly amazing. The future of augmented reality is the kind of things that you see in movies. Now, this type of technology is creeping into our lives even today, and with the ease of use through mobile technology, this new way of looking at the world could transform the way we learn. Specifically for those who have ever tried learning a new language, you will know the rigmarole that you need to go through to learn a new style of writing, new grammar, and even a new alphabet. It is one thing to first read what a word is, but then to identify its meaning and the context in which it is in. It can be a lot to take in. At times, it is part of the journey as one seeks to travel to a new destination and to learn a new culture. This can often be a challenge. With mobile applications like WordLens, we could integrate this technology into the way that we learn languages in schools. Children in schools who did not know how to write hello could use these technologies to aid them in the teaching and the learning processes that they go through. Just by changing the settings, they would be able to have access to many languages, not just the one. Children would be able to identify with these technologies and would probably find them easier to figure out than by using a textbook. Think about it for a second. How could the education sector benefit from this technology? Students could have fun learning the written language of another country. Students would have access to proper grammar and sentence structure while learning in an interactive way. And teachers would have the opportunity to teach children at different paces and rate their progression. Homework could be set in different languages, books could be read, and newspaper articles as well. Academic journals from across the world could be understood through the eyes of augmented reality. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in tonight. I hope you enjoyed the program. Tune in next time with Trends of the Future as we discuss the electric car. Enjoy your night, and thank you.